Error 71 indicates poor water quality in the water tank. Please press C to cancel the error code. Then press Menu Enter, followed by the Down button, and Menu Enter to enter manual mode. Press the Down button twice to choose Water. Place the lid in the lid holder and press Menu Enter. This empties the water from the water tank into the chamber. When the water tank is emptied, press Menu Enter to stop the water pump. Afterwards, choose Drain Chamber and press Menu Enter to drain the chamber. Please note that the lid must be placed in the lid holder. Refill the water tank with good quality demineralized water with a maximum of 3 microsiemens, either manually or by changing the water filter on your water treatment system. Press the Start button, followed by pressing the safety ring to restart a cycle. If you still experience an error 71, please call your supplier.